Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga Therapy with Madhu. I am Madhu. Today we're going to discuss a simple breathing technique. You can also use it like a meditation, and it's called Bhramari Pranayama or humming bee breath and meditation. Before we begin the video, I'd like to give a disclaimer. Many of the videos that show Bhramari Pranayam is usually done with a Shanmukhi Mudra where we close the entire senses. But I have noticed with many of my clients, for example, like stroke victims or stroke survivors who have an affected side, or usually people who are doing this for the first time, might find these hand gestures very, very overwhelming. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a modified version of this Bhramari Pranayama. Okay. Who does it help? It usually helps anybody. Like I said, stroke survivors, if you're somebody having dementia, you've had a sort of brain surgery recently, it can be very, very helpful, and it is tried and tested with many of my clients. Apart from that, if you're a student and you're trying to focus on something, doing a few rounds of this Bhramari Pranayam before you start your study or work can be beneficial. Let's see how it is done. Okay, let's get started. So we'll start the Bhramari Pranayam like we always do. Okay, we're going to lift the shoulders up to open up the chest. Okay, from here we're going to take the left hand, if that's okay, and place it on the chest, taking the right hand and placing on the left hand. If that's too much, then you don't have to do it. The eyes can remain open or closed. So take a few moments to settle. Good. From here, in order to do Bhramari Pranayam, you're going to take an inhale through the nose, and as you exhale, you're going to hum like a bee. So for example, what you might notice if you're doing this for the first time is placing the hand on the chest or on the belly can be very beneficial because you can actually feel the vibrations, right? So it's a way to find that self-awareness in the body. So let's practice a few rounds together. So place your hands on your chest, feeling the heartbeat. Inhale, take a deep breath. Exhale. Again, inhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Last time. Breathe in. When you're ready, release your arms and open your eyes. Take a few seconds to notice how you feel before you started the humming and after you started. For some people, even gently tapping the chest as they hum, like can also help, especially if you're suffering from any kind of trauma or grief. So give it a try. Let me know how you feel. And of course, 2026 is coming soon. So if you want to start your journey, but you need a little bit of help, then I'm always here. You can book a call. You can even visit my website. And I would love to be a part of your journey. In the meantime, hope you relax. Have a great holidays, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Om Tat Sat.